Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen culture. Today we are making a dessert for Christmas, matcha cheesecake. Crush 15 digestive biscuits to get fine crumbs. Adding 30 ml melted butter and 10 ml milk will give us wet sand-like consistency to form base of the cheesecake. Flatten it out with a spatula in a spring foam pan and refrigerate until we prepare the cheesecake batter. To a mixing bowl, add 200 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of hung curd, and 60 grams of powdered sugar. Beat until a smooth consistency is achieved. Let's set this aside and whisk 200 ml of chilled unsweetened whipping cream. Whip until soft peaks form like so. Gradually mix all the whipped cream with the cream cheese curd mixture. Let's move on to the setting ingredient of the cheesecake, agar, also known as China grass. Add 1/4 cup water to 5 grams of agar strands and let it rest for 10 minutes. Transfer to a pan and bring to a boil. Ensure agar strands have dissolved completely. Switch off the heat and add 1.5 tablespoons of matcha powder. Get rid of the lumps using a whisk. Transfer to the cheesecake batter and mix. Now that our biscuit base has set completely, we will transfer the cheesecake batter in the spring foam tin pan. Using an offset spatula, I am leveling the cheesecake batter. Refrigerate for 6 hours. Once the cheesecake sets, release the sides of the pan. Gently remove the parchment paper. Lightly dust with some matcha. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays!